Okay, welcome back guys. Today we're gonna start the reassembly of this car. I already got the door handles on and the doors. I'm gonna start by putting on this the door panels. I'm having trouble with this handle right here. Something got messed up on this, so I gotta take apart this entire thing, see what got messed up, put it back together. That's it. I'll have these 4 door panels on. Actually not 4, 3. We can't install that one yet because I'm waiting for a molding to come up. That should be here by tomorrow. That's it. I'm gonna start with this one, get that fixed first with the handle on, and then I'll put on the door panels. Okay, so the problem I had with this was the handle, like the screw right here. This is the only thing holding the handle. It slides in and out to lock the piece in place. And it was out of its socket right here, so I just popped it back. Now I'm ready to put this back together. Okay, so those door panels are done. We're waiting for this molding right here because this one had a dent on it from this damage. Until that's in, I can finish the door panels, but now I'm gonna pull off the fenders so I can install the radiator support, then put the fenders back on, put the hood, make sure everything lines up, then I'll move on to the bumpers. Okay, I got the hood, everything's lined up, headlights, everything fit back on perfectly. All the gaps are even. Now I'm just gonna be putting together the front bumper. Got the upper grille going on, the upper sight shield goes along this edge. Fog lights, fog light covers. The fog light covers, the lower grille, and we got that surround. And we also got that front lip going on. Okay, well that's it for the day, guys. Basically the entire front end is all done. My other touches just left. Got the rear trunk and the rear bumper and the 4 inner fenders. And that would be it.